Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to my first donations unboxing. And starting right here, it's a box from my friend Ricardo Azevedo from the group Xbox Original Portugal. Let's open it up and see what it is. Okay, I can see already an Xbox Original and right below another one. Really cool, really well packaged too. So the first box is done. Once again, thank you Ricardo. Let's move on to the second package. And this one, it's from Angelo Tabat. I can see already, looks like a game from a Nintendo 64. And it is. It's a Superstar Soccer 64. Really nice. Once again, thank you Angelo. And well, this is not a donation, this one is from myself. It's a PC game that I win on a Facebook auction for only €1. It's a Super Stunt Spectacular, never been opened. And the next box is from my friend Ivo Pontes from the Teleponte shop, and if you need buy or repair smartphones, is the right shop for you in Portugal. And right out of the box we have two PlayStation 3 Slim version. And in the bottom of the box we also have a Nintendo DS Lite. It really needs some TLC, but we will get there. And also we got a bunch of games, really nice. So once again, thank you Ivo. And so this is it. Pretty cool stuff sent it to me in this first unboxing video. Once again, thank you all for sending this stuff. So don't forget to subscribe to see what we can do with this awesome stuff on the channel. Once again, thank you for watching, see you in the next one.